Alright my people, so welcome back to another video. Today I have a special video. It's more of an update video on the last video I did about how to order from AliExpress. This is the package that came in. You see the Chinese lettering on the package, and I'm gonna get straight to it. What I ordered was 100 iPhone cases. I have this for an eBay challenge that I want to do. I want to see if I can get through 100 iPhone cases in a week, maybe 2 weeks. And if not, I want to record the challenge and talk about the truth about selling on eBay, being in a competitive market, especially when selling something like iPhone cases. And first, I just want to go over the package really quick. Everything came packaged. This is pretty much exactly how it came packaged. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, boxed up really well. And on top of that, they're plastic. It's not gonna do anything to the case to harm it in that way. Looks like they take a box or find a box that matches the dimensions of all of the cases put together, and then make it so it won't wiggle around, shift, bend in any way, so you'll get your product safely. I haven't counted them, but I've ordered from Alibaba a lot. I'll double check later to make sure it's 100 in here, but I'm sure it's close. I'll check later. I just got it. I just had to pull up the payment records. I paid for this on December 31st. I got in contact with the seller. The next day. They were really fast with responding. Less than 24 hours, they were already on it, responding to me, replying. And I just so happened to order during a holiday, so I had to wait 2 days beyond what it would have typically taken. So everything was really fast, quick. If I pull up my calendar, it will say that I received it on January 12th, which was a Wednesday. So if you count the days, I started from the day that I placed the order rather than when it was shipped. It took 12 days for me to receive these 100 iPhone cases. Now, I don't mind going over cost and all the expensive. I paid $101 for 100 iPhone cases. They were 34 cents per case, but you have to tie in the expensive Alibaba shipping price, and that brought it up to $101. I found a really good supplier, and when I do sell these, because I'm gonna work my ass off to get it done for this challenge and for myself, I'm going to hopefully order from them again, because they've been really professional and a pleasure to work with. So if you want to order from Alibaba, take the leap of faith. Find a good supplier. Find someone that has a lot of reviews and replies really fast, has a fast response rate. Therefore, so that you can compare whatever metrics you need, whether it's shipping time, product specifics, features, whatever it may be, for you to place your order, get samples, whatever it may be. Do that. Find a good supplier that responds first and foremost. And if you're willing to negotiate any prices or whatever it may be, do that. But yeah, I got this. Everything came in one piece, really well done, real well packaged. And I'm gonna show you the way I plan on selling these. So I actually already have one in here just to show that it fits. So this is a 4x8 mailer. All right, so that is a 4x8 mailer, and this is a case for the iPhone 13, the biggest iPhone that there is currently, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this perfectly slides into the case. I'll try to demonstrate it really quickly if I can block my face out. All right, so this perfectly fits into the pouch, and then I will be able to close it, and then we will be good. So I plan on selling these on eBay. In my challenge video, I'll break down all the profit margins and what I expect to do in a later video, but I just wanted to show you that this package came in well put together, and I have to applaud the seller who I bought it from, and I'm pretty sure I can't pronounce their name correctly, but I will put it down right here so you can see it. If you want to order any technology accessories, iPhone accessories, phone accessories, they're a great place to start. So hope you all enjoyed the video. It was really quick, informative, and to the point. Just more of an update on Alibaba shipping and packaging and how things come together, because it's not Alibaba itself, it's the suppliers on the website. And I can say I'm pleased with this supplier. So hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.